So for problem number 8, what we're going to do is it tells us that the product, that means to multiply, right? The product of two integers, so that means I'm going to have number 1 and number 2, two numbers that are integers. Integer means it could be a positive or a negative number. That means equals 112. So when I multiply this times this, it equals 112. Well, one number is 4 more than 3 times the other. What do we know about the other? Nothing. We don't know anything about the other one. So I'm going to make the second number x, because whenever there's something I don't know anything about, I'm going to make it x. Now it says it's 4 more than 3 times the other. So it'd be 3x plus 4. Well, remember, the product means that I'm going to multiply this number by this number, and it is or equals 112. I'm going to distribute the x through the parentheses. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times positive 4 is a positive 4x. Now, we could solve for x and figure out what the numbers are, but that's not what they're asking us to do. They just want to figure out which equation will give you the value of x. Okay? Are there any questions on that one? Okay, cool.